How to make money on Printify easy tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can go ahead and make money on Printify in the easiest and most simplest ways possible, okay? And making money on Printify has been made so easy in the past few, you could say, years because Printify's users have increased efficiently. Like there's so many users now, and Printify obviously is used for print on demand products, okay? Mostly people think it's just for shirts, but no. It could be for any print on demand products, tote bags, mugs, bag, ornaments, shirts, jackets, sweatshirts, sweaters, whatever you want. Printify is going to provide it for you, and you get higher profits for your drop shipping. You get robust scaling, and there's the best selection of products with 900 plus product categories and top quality brands, okay? So once you get an idea of this, here it says create and sell custom products on their main website, printify.com, because this is exactly where you're going to want to come to. Now, once you're over here, simply come here and click on start for free, okay, because that is what we want. So I'm going to click here on start for free, all right? And once you click on start for free, it's going to take you into Printify's authorization section. Now, here's your email and password, and we're going to add these. Now, over here in the account section, what you are going to want to be doing is you're going to add in your email, okay? So here you can see I've added my email, and now I'm just going to go ahead and add a password that I will remember. Then you're going to go with I'm not a robot, obviously. And once you go with that, you're going to click on sign up, okay? Now, once we go into the sign up section, what that's going to do is it's going to bring us here into a little bit of questioning, okay? These are questions that we are going to want to answer in. And we are going to want to go ahead and tell them a little things about ourselves, tell them a little aspects of our life and things, pretty easy, pretty basic stuff. Now, moving on, what you can do more in detail and in depth is to come here. Here it says, do you have your own e-commerce store? Go with that. If you're a social media influencer, go with that. Represent a company, whatever. I'm going to go with I have my own e-commerce store. So, I can actually make money through drop shipping, okay? Because that is essentially what Printify is mostly used for. Then it asks you, what is your main objective? So it could be ordering products for yourself, ordering merchandise for a company, grow your current business, or start your first online business. So I'm going to go for order merchandise for a company. Which type of company do you represent? It could be an online retailer, entertainment and media, e-commerce as a service, all these things. What would you like to do with Printify? Now, it could be I'm just exploring. It could be any of these aspects that you want to go with. I'm going to go with I'm just exploring for now. And how did you find out about Printify? I'm going to go with YouTube and just head straight into this. So once we're over here, you're into the main section of Printify, and this is what it looks like. So pretty basic and easy stuff to get your head around, okay? Because, it just gives you products right in front of you. It gives you all the things that you're going to want to get your head around. They're all in front of you. They're all pretty easy and simple to understand, all right? So when it comes to actually understanding these things, when it comes to actually pointing these things out for yourself, what we are going to want to be doing is we are going to go ahead and get a pretty general and sweet idea of how we're going to want to try it out for ourselves. So here you have your dashboard, catalog, products, orders, wallets, source settings, branding, etc. I'm going to go into my catalog, and you have all these products over here from your catalog, okay, specifically from your catalog to work around with, to, actually mess around, to choose product categories in, right? So let's say I'm going to go with a very basic product. I'm going to go with men's clothing, and let's go with t-shirts for now. Let's start off very easy and very basic. We don't want to go in too big. We don't want to go in too hard. We're going to go in really simple and really easy. Now, once we're into this really simple and really easy task widget over here, what we are going to want to do from here is we're going to go into this section. So here you have express delivery, bestseller, men's cotton crew tee. Then you have these unisex ultra cotton tees, unisex soft style t-shirts, unisex tri-blend crew tee, beefy tee. You have unisex jersey, short sleeve v-neck tee. You have unisex moisture wicking tee. So, different types of t-shirts that you can choose from. I'm going to go with the most basic ones right now, which is this. You're also going to want to make sure to see the price. and the prices of the variants that you're going to want to keep before getting into the actual designing aspect. So once you've gotten an idea of these, let's say we have our designs right here, pretty easy, pretty basic designs. So here we have a unisex jersey, short sleeve tee. I'm going to go with the Printify choice. You can also get the provider info. Here's the standard shipping charges, and there's the price. Production time takes 1 day. Okay, that's pretty incredible. Print areas, front side, back side. Then you have all these colors. I'm going to go ahead and click on start designing for myself. Okay, so once you go into start designing, just gonna load it up real quick. Now, as it loads up over here, so you have your front side and you have your backside, all right? And you're gonna add your design over here. So I'm gonna go into my device. I'm gonna go ahead and add a design for myself in this section. Now, it's gonna take a design. Now, obviously, I created this design myself, and you're gonna make sure that it's perfectly straight. There we go. And I'm gonna go ahead and change the color of the shirt as well because I don't really like the color. So you can actually choose a shirt color if you want to, by the way. So, there's different colors that you can organize your shirt in. You can see which color seems best, okay, and just keep that color in. So you can see all these colors look pretty nice, but it will look nice on lighter shades. So, you get the point. So once we have created our designs, you can add more designs into this, by the way, if you want to. By adding more designs, I mean you can add in custom tags, AI image generators, whatever you want. And once you've done what you like, you're going to click on Save Product. And once you click on Save Product, it's going to bring you to the actual favicon sections. So over here, what you do is you get obviously all these, designs. You get the front, the back, then you can actually see a person wearing your design. You can actually see a person wearing your product. And obviously, it gives us a good idea on how our product will look on people. And then you can actually switch colors as well. And as you can see, the models switch the colors too. The models will also wear what you are doing. And if you want to edit the design, you can do that for yourself. It's pretty incredible how they give us mockups for our designs. And you can choose the mockups you want to showcase. You can get the actual title, the descriptions. You can choose all the variants that you want. And then finally, you're going to connect your online store or your e-commerce store to actually start going ahead and making money from your actual Printify, okay? Because obviously people are going to buy your dropship content and send you money on your online store. No one's going to send you money straight to your Printify because Printify's only, you could say, step in this is to go ahead and help us with the process of getting our product. So that's pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.